So a lot of people don't know this about caulking guns. If you don't have any tools with you and you got a fresh tube, then you can use typically this little hole here. Most caulking guns have a hole like that. Put the tube in like so. Pull back on your handle. It's going to cut the end off for you, just like that. And then also on your caulking gun, there's usually a pin like this here. You can go down in here like this. And it's just long enough to reach down and poke the foil that seals your caulking tube in there. Poke holes in that. And then some caulking guns like this one have an extra feature whereby it won't drip. So as you squeeze the caulk out and you let go, it has a little bit of give so that this rod will come back a little bit all by itself, so that it won't put pressure on the tube and keep leaking out. And then you can turn that off if you want it to do that, to be able to have drips, have it leak like that, then you can do that there. So that's a good feature to get if you're going to buy a caulking gun. This one here is pretty good. It's made out of plastic, but it works just great. Hey, I hope that helps. Learn a little bit more about built-in features in your caulking gun. Have a great day.